Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to publish your website, your portfolio site, and also how to come up with a unique web address for your site. A web address, also known as a URL, that's what people type up here to find your website. So right now, I'm going to go to Google Sites. And I'm going to click on my sample portfolio site. And when you publish for the first time, yours is going to look a little different than mine, okay? So if I hit publish right now, this page is going to come up because I've already published before. When you publish for the first time, so I want everyone to hit the big publish button, but what's going to come up is this. It's going to look like this. It's going to ask you to write a unique web address for your site. Currently, it's probably a bunch of random letters and numbers. What I want you to do is make it your first initial of your first name and then your last name. So for me, it would be C. Shannon, and then put a dash, and then photo, another dash, and then portfolio. Okay, so everyone's should be first initial of your first name, followed by your last name, dash photo, dash portfolio. Once you have that, I want you to hit save. I forget if it says save or publish, okay, but make sure you hit one of those. I am going to hit cancel because I already have a different web address for my sample site. So I'm going to hit cancel. You need to either hit save or publish. I forget what it says over here. Okay, so now your site has been published. What published means is that it's live on the internet, okay? So now anytime that you ever add anything to your site, so like if we're on our projects page and you start adding your next project, every time that you add something and you want it to show up live on your site, you need to hit the publish button, okay? Once you've published your site, I want you to copy your published site address and submit it to me. The way that you're going to do that is you're going to click this button right up here. It looks like a paperclip and it says copy published site link. Click on that, and right here it says published site link, and you're just going to hit copy link. And I want you to go, I'm going to go into my second period as an example. I want you to go into your forms folder, and you'll notice a form called Portfolio Site Web Address Form. Click on that. And now you're going to fill this out. It's just 3 things you need to fill out. So I'm going to pretend I'm in second period, so I'll do second. I write my name. And now I've already copied my site address. So now all I have to do is right click and say paste. Okay, you could also do Control V. All right, everyone's site is going to start with the same thing. Okay, everyone's site is going to start with this that I'm highlighting right now. It's then going to be followed by your unique address, which again is your name and photo portfolio. Okay, so once you have that in here, you can hit submit. And that's it. Now I have your web address, and I'll be creating a document for your class with everyone's portfolio site on it so that everyone has access to everyone else's portfolio site so that we can share our photography as a class.